Microsoft Edge may not be your default browser and you may want to set it up as one. In that case, you can go around onto the three dot button right here and then you can go around onto settings. Then what you can do is you can go around onto the left side where it says default browser. Once you go around over here, you can see that over here, you can go around and make Microsoft Edge your default browser. So let me just click around make default and then it opens up your settings right here for the default app as you can see right here. And over here, you can see that make Microsoft Edge your default browser appears right here. If I were to go around and click right here, now Microsoft Edge becomes your default browser. Just like that, it has been set as default. Close it out and then you can see that the make default is not there anymore. So if I were to go around over here back again, let me just go around onto home right here just like this. And if I were to go back onto settings right here, and in the default browser settings, if you were to see that this is grayed out, then you know that Microsoft Edge has been successfully set as your default browser. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.